Hey guys, what's up? This is FXDude79 broadcasting live from FXDude79.com. If you're watching this on YouTube, head over to FXDude79.com where you can watch this video. And you can watch my live feed, which I do almost every day, starting at around 3 o'clock, maybe later. It depends on time of day, what's going on. I don't have a set schedule, but I wanted to give you guys a little bit of, I'd like to call this cast and crew, because I take a lot of credit for the stuff I do, but there are a lot of guys I've given credit to him, but I feel like I haven't given enough credit to them, who helped me out a lot with this YouTube and FXD79 stuff. Anyways, I would like to introduce you to those people. Obviously, I don't have them here. But anyways, the first one, you probably know him from one of my videos. Bartlett Callum is his YouTube name, and obviously his name is Callum. Let's see, still have my audio on so I can hear myself, sort of delay in the background. Oh, that's because I'm on FXD79.com. Look at that. Jeez, how dumb you have to get. Anyways, he makes a lot of videos, tutorials, and green screen stuff, and he's helped me out with a green screen video, which you can go check out at youtube.com. It's a basic chroma key in After Effects CS4, so you can go check that out if you want to. The next person is Stevie. You may or may not know him. He used to have a YouTube account. He shut it down. I don't really know why. LOL Nachos LOL, and that is currently shut down. But he works on the live show here. My great friend Nick from youtube.com/OSXmeetsNick, and he has worked with me on a lot of videos, and he is an awesome guy, so thank you. Also, one more thing, my site manager for my website, the current FXDude79.com was not created by me. My site manager, Alexander Cahoon, I believe it's pronounced, he told me. But you can scroll down to the bottom of my FXDude79.com. It says designed by Alexander Cahoon 2009, content, blah blah blah. But if you click on his name, you can go to his website, and I think something wrong with the link right now because he's linking back to my website. But you can go check him out. He manages websites, and he lives in Australia. So yeah. So anyways, that's pretty much my cast and crew. Obviously me, who started this. But yeah, I'm sort of distracted right now because I'm helping somebody with a video and doing a live show at the same time. I suppose I should learn to multitask, which is what I'm trying to do. But yeah, that's the cast and crew. If you're watching this on YouTube, you're going to want to head to FXDude79.com because I'm usually broadcasting live. You can go check me out. You can ask me live questions, and if they're legit enough, I will answer them over the live show, possibly make a video of them, maybe making one on a question somebody just asked me. So you can scroll over to the chat, which is on FXD79.com. Just to clarify something, if you go to FXD79.com and say my live video feed, they'll have the live stream, previously Mogulus video player, and then if you scroll down, there'll be a live chat room. If you want to chat with me live while I'm on air, you're not going to want to use the one that says live chat room. You're going to want to turn on the live video feed, and then click on the bottom where it says chat. And then if you click on that, it'll bring up the chat, and you will be able to chat live with me, and I will always be on that, and I have it open right now. I can see, what everybody